Unisha Yonzon, a child with autism, has made significant progress in her development. Her parents have played a crucial role in her growth by encouraging her to explore various activities and environments from a young age, starting at just 2 years old.
This green one, the blue one. Very good. Now throw in the dustbin. Throw that one in the dustbin. Yes, very good.
Unisha has achieved language skills and has been exposed to diverse experiences, including visiting different places and interacting with people. Her parents have also facilitated her development through activities like mirror play and taking selfies.
A is for?
Apple.
Apple. Okay. It's a square, yes. It's a circle.
This early engagement with self-care and self-expression has contributed to her socialization skills and improved her ability to make eye contact. Unisha particularly enjoys taking selfies, which has become a source of joy and connection for her as she continues to develop and thrive.
Breakfreesolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.